Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet effective way to enhance your browsing experience on Google Chrome by blocking images on specific websites. This can be particularly useful if you're looking to save data or minimize distractions while surfing the web. Let's get started with the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. This is the gateway to all your online activities, and you'll want to ensure you're using the latest version for the best results. Next, navigate to the site you want to block images from. Whether it's a news site, a blog, or any other web page, just type in the URL and hit Enter. Once the page has loaded, look for the icon next to the web address in the address bar. This could be a padlock or an info symbol. Click on it to reveal a small menu that contains site information. From this menu, select View Site Information. This option will give you access to various settings related to the website you are currently visiting. Now, it's time to adjust the settings. Click on Site Settings from the options presented. This will take you to a page where you can manage permissions for that specific site. Look for the section labeled Images. Here, you'll see options that allow you to control how images are handled on this site. Next to Images, choose Block. This action will prevent any images from loading on this particular website, giving you a cleaner and potentially faster browsing experience. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully blocked images on Google Chrome for that specific website. Remember, these changes are site-specific, so if you want to block images on another site, just repeat these steps. This method not only helps in reducing data usage, but also streamlines your browsing process by eliminating visual clutter. Enjoy your new distraction-free browsing experience.